Digital marketing in the USA is changing fast, and beginners are making money online with simple skills. From one-on-one daily gigs to AI tools, opportunities are growing, but you must know the risks too. Let me show you the real picture, with real examples from Reddit. Digital marketing has become one of the fastest-growing online careers in the USA, especially for beginners looking for flexible income. The best part? You don't need a degree, experience, or a big budget. You just need a phone or laptop and basic online skills. Today, I'll show you new digital marketing opportunities that beginners in the USA are using, plus how to manage risks so you don't waste time or money. Opportunity 1. Social media management for small businesses in many US cities. Small businesses struggle with posting consistently. Restaurants, salons, gyms, and online stores need someone to run their social media. A Reddit beginner shared how they started charging $300 per month per client by managing Instagram and Facebook posts for local restaurants. They used simple tools like Canva for design and CapCut for short videos. Beginner tip: start with one niche, like local restaurants or beauty studios, and offer 12 posts per month for Reels basic engagement. If you get just 3 small clients, that's around $900 a month as a beginner. Risk overpromising results. How to avoid it? Tell clients you focus on content creation, not guaranteed sales. Opportunity 2. AI-powered content creation. Many US businesses are now using AI tools to create content faster, but they still need someone to guide the process. A Reddit user shared that they earn $50 per blog using ChatGPT, paraphrasing tools, and simple SEO templates. You can offer blog writing, product descriptions, email newsletters, simple video scripts. Risk: AI content sounding robotic. How to avoid it? Always edit, add human tone, and check facts before sending. Opportunity 3. YouTube automation for beginners. You don't need to show your face. Many beginners in the USA create YouTube channels using AI voiceovers, stock footage, simple editing. A Reddit example shows one beginner making $200 400 months from a faceless YouTube channel after 6 months. Risk: slow growth. How to avoid it? Focus on trending topics like finance, AI, health, or tech. Opportunity for affiliate marketing with short videos. Short-form video content is exploding in the USA. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. Beginners make money by promoting Amazon products or digital tools. One Reddit user said they made $70 on their first week by reviewing small gadgets using their phone. Risk: violating platform rules. How to avoid it? Always disclose affiliate links in your description. Risk management. Digital marketing is powerful, but you must manage risks. Don't buy expensive courses. Most info is free. Avoid scams promising instant income. Start with free tools first. Test different services until one works. Track your time and avoid burnout. Diversify. Don't rely on one client or one platform. If you want simple, realistic digital marketing opportunities without fake promises, subscribe now. I share beginner-friendly USA strategies and real Reddit-based examples every week. Don't miss the next video.